My name is Asutosh, and I am from Bihar. I am currently staying in my village. And if I talk about my study, so I have completed my bachelor degree in commerce. And after that, I'm just thinking to do the CA. Yeah, and simultaneously, I'm running my YouTube channel. It's all about English learning. That's all about.
Okay, so how the English comes in your life? Because I think we all can relate the things that we all are from Bihar, both of us, and there is a no much
Correct, correct.
the environment and value, and even nobody give us awareness that English is that much important. Even I will get to know that when I came from Bihar to Bangalore for my study, then I get to know that how much English is important for the
True,
surviving
true. It is
actually.
completely true. Yeah. So, by the way, where are
So
you staying in Bangalore? Actually, my company is also located in Bangalore. Where are you staying in
actually,
Bangalore?
I'm not in a proper Bangalore. Bangalore, I think it's I think 300 to 400 kilometers far away from me. I'm the one of
Okay,
the district
okay,
name is the Ballari. Yeah, but yeah, I used to go there for some
okay,
purpose, like
okay,
some visiting purpose through my college and all. So yeah.
okay, okay. Cool, cool, cool. So, if I talk about English learning and journey, so when I was
Hmm.
started Corona, that time I decided to learn English because somewhere I know the English, right? That time I know the English, but somewhere I'm not be able to speak with any people, right? When I going to speak with the
Okay.
people, I am not be able to express myself. Even the people ask any kind of question, that question I'm not be able to answer. So that's why I decided, okay, it's really important because if I'm going to anywhere in any company, right, in a private company,
Hmm.
so obviously the people are talking in English. So obviously I need to improve myself, how I need to, talk to the people. So this is very important. That's why I started my journey in 2020, and I'm using like various things to improve my communication. Like starting a stage, I'm trying to practice front of the mirror, and after that I'm just trying to practice with the strangers, new people. I'm using like
Okay.
Joe Stock application, Talk Now, and many more audio call application is there, and you can
Okay.
talk unlimited. Yeah, unlimited call is there, and you can connect with the multiple people, new people, and you will get more idea how people are talking, and then you can use in another conversation the practice. So it is very helpful for me. And apart from these activities, somewhere I'm also doing like a video call. When you are talking to front of the camera or front of the people, you will get more and more confident also. So that's
Correct.
why I take it a subscription like Clappingo subscription, uh, and I did some session, and somewhere I improve myself how actually I need to talk front of the camera and the front of the audience and people. So these kind of understanding I'll get little bit over there. And apart from this, nowadays I'm talking to the various people because I started my YouTube channel as well in this year in January month. So I got response from the people. They requested and they mailed me to do the conversation like whatever we are doing as of now, right? So these kind
Correct.
of conversation I am doing as of now, and it is going pretty good. Still I am doing a lot of mistake. So that mistake is just I'm trying to correct myself where I did mistake and how I can correct myself, how I can become like a good speaker, what I need to do. So these kind of activity I am doing as of now, and it is going pretty good. I am also learning a lot of things. Somewhere listening is also very important. So that's why I am following some like YouTuber, and some good speaker on YouTube is there. So you want, you can also follow them. And I am following like Satguru and Priyanka Chopra and Ranveer Alawat. So these guys I am
I am my
following, and they are
favorite.
a good speaker. Yeah, these
Okay.
are all good speaker on YouTube. So when we are like watching those video on YouTube, you will we will get like motivation. Motivation is also very important part for your learning, right? Somewhere
Correct.
if you are learning but you are not understanding, so you after some time you just give up your journey. You think
Correct.
about yourself. It is really not a cup of tea, right? It is not my cup of tea, right? So it has happened with many people. That's why I started my channel also, and I'm uploading the video. You can see my first, second, third, fourth video, starting video, you can say. and somewhere I'm not be able to speak on the proper way. But yeah, that is not a problem. See, whatever we are doing mistake, that is fine. Just we need to correct ourselves where we did mistake, what we need to do for the correction, and how we can become a, like a good speaker. So this is all my English journey, and now I'm also learning. I also did a lot of mistake while conversation with the people, but that is not a problem. Every conversation we learn new thing, and we can like enhance our communication. So that's all.
Yeah, okay, nice. Nice journey, actually, very inspiring. And through that you have told me many of the things. And yeah, as you are talking about the listening skill, so I think yeah, before being a good speaker, we have to be a good listener. And for that, yeah, I'm following the Ranveer Alavadia since long time, and he is one of my favorite YouTuber. Okay, and actually his Hindi channel is also good, but I love, when I came to the English speaking part, so I love to listen his podcast on the, English Beer Biceps channel. So yeah, it's because when we listen such kinds of podcast, what happen, like we are also increasing our knowledge, what the conversation is going on the podcast. And apart from that,
Correct,
of course,
correct,
we are
true, true,
improving our listening skills. And yeah, we
true.
can also do some things that yeah, we don't know the word. There are many of the words we don't know, so we can write it, we can go through the meaning, and also, yeah, we can grab in our daily conversation. Yeah. So,
Yeah, it is completely true. So actually, Chandan, just I want to ask you one thing. What do you want to become in your future? What is your plan? Because you are doing like technical things. So what do you decided in your future? What we need to do?
actually, bro, I believe in that. Don't tell your secret to anybody, okay? Your plan and all the things. But yeah, I'll tell you my shortest plan, okay, definitely. Is that I have to get in some companies, okay, after my graduation, because my parents have done so many efforts to make me a story, from that place to this place. And yeah, I'm sacrificing myself with the time of family. And it's been a 3 years I have been living here. I haven't been in a Bihar. So for that, like the society always judge that the people, if we are getting 2021, so we have to earn some money. So sometimes I used to get regret that yeah, I'm this much, I still am doing education and all. But fine. So in the short term, I have to just get a job and make my parents feel proud that yeah, I'm earning some money. Yeah, that is my shortest goal actually. Yeah, just for I think
Yeah, yeah,
I'll
it
be
is
getting a
good.
job coming years. Yeah,
Yeah, because if you are going to do a job in a companies, and after that you also learning a lot of things, right? If you are going to do the job, then you will get like practical thing, right? And then you will understood what I need to do next, right? And where I am, what we need to do, how I can improve in our skill, whatever we have as of now, and what need in future, what like market requirement as of now, right?
correct.
And where we need to work in our skill. So this is very important, and you are doing great, and your think also very good. And if I talk about my ambition, what we need to do, so I started my
Okay.
YouTube channel, and nowadays I'm talking to the people, and I get more and more interest. So in future, just I want to start like broadcasting. So let's see what happened, but it was my dream. And
Actually, yeah, okay. Let me tell you one thing. We can be together, fine,
Mhm.
okay. Actually, when I started my YouTube channel, there was a no motive of, that I just started for the, improvement of myself. And I have been inspired so much by the Ranveer Bhaiya, okay. So for podcasting itself, okay. So if you saw in my channel, okay, so there will be the first video where we have discussed about some technology on with my friends. So I have put it the podcast, okay, the name itself. But when I saw many of the people having the English conversation and they're saying that English conversation video, so I thought, okay, fine. Then I left that. But yeah, I have also in the long term plan for the YouTube for my improvement itself. Like I'll be getting some of the people with the different domain and different sector, and I'm having the conversation on the part of that. So I will also get the knowledge of that, and yeah, like that. So yeah, podcast plan is in my in my cart also. So so yeah, we can be start our first podcast with together, no problem. So that will be
Definitely,
better.
definitely, definitely. I'm waiting, and when you will start your broadcasting, you just invite me. Definitely, I will join your broadcast.
Yeah, actually, newly I have. done something, okay, very craziest thing. I can say that.
Okay,
Actually,
okay,
some 2 days ago, some idea was going in my mind that the TV show and something like that. So I thought, why should I not start
true.
my own show? Okay, the English show. So I just got the
Mm-hmm.
idea. And I have some kind of habit that when I got the idea, I used to write on the pen and paper and try to like step by step, like how can I execute it. So I written all the steps and I connect. I call my friends that I shared that yeah how it is, it would be work or not, and like that. I said okay, let's give a try. What will happen? So the idea was that ki, like suppose right now we are having the individual conversation one to one. So I decided that I will be inviting 2 or 3 people, okay, on the same Skype call, and there I will be having the different segment of the English itself, like the grammar, word, and something like that. Okay, and we will asking
True.
the like I'll be the hosting, and there will be 2 guests. They will be the answering the questions and all, and just the fun. Okay, no, nothing is like that. So I just done that. I written all the make the plan. I called to my friend, and even I approached 2 of the people, and they accepted. And yesterday night I shooted on the same time that first episode of my show, and I'm editing that still when you told me that, so I was just editing that. And yeah, let's see how it's going
Okay,
to be
okay.
happen. So I'm just excited for that. So yeah, just a try. Yeah, we should give a try to our ideas.
No,
We try to
definitely.
execute. Yeah,
When if
whether
you
it's
are
going to
right,
work or
if
not.
you are not trying anything, how you can know the result, right? When you are trying,
Correct.
then you will get result. It is good or bad, right? So first we need to try what happened, and then we get the result. What we need to do next, right? So it is true,
Yeah.
and you are doing great, and you just try to keep doing. And see, in YouTube, a lot of creator is there, and they are making a lot of like video in different category, and they are
Correct.
like they are getting good response, they are getting like fan following subscriber, and apart from this they are start earning also, and many people they are making huge amount. We can't like calculate the number also. So
Correct.
a lot
Correct.
of people are there on YouTube. Yeah. So here in YouTube, if I talk about the YouTube career, we have to be patient first, right? It is not a one day
Okay.
and like
Correct.
6 month activities. We need to give the time at least 2 to 3 years. And after that, you will get maybe result. Depends on your content, how you are like making content, how you are presenting your content, and how you are like output your content. So on the basis you will get result, right? So when you are like you, that's why whatever we are doing as of now, you can see the your first video and your second video, day by day, obviously you
It's
are improving
increased.
your video, right? So it
Correct.
is true. It's when you were thinking our mind, okay, I need to start YouTube channel, when become a, like a good speaker, when become a like good, and whatever you are thinking category. In that category, when you are become a like good, and then after you decide to okay, now I need to start the channel. So see, it's that time never come. First you start the channel, and then you learn the thing, and
Yeah. Correct.
slowly, obviously you learn, and you will like get the good response also. Tell you one thing, if I did a lot of if I did any mistake, you can also correct me. That is not a problem, because I'm learning. I never think in myself I become a like good speaker. I am speaking good, and I like I don't have these kind of like attitude in myself. I always am
Okay.
trying to learn the thing. If I'm learning to the senior, if I'm learning to the junior, everywhere I'm just trying to grab the like opportunity. I'm trying to grab the like thing, how I can get the knowledge. This is the thing I'm
Okay.
doing.
I think you know already, but I wanted to tell you that okay, learning is
Yeah,
a
yeah.
part of life, okay, and mistake is also when you are learning something new. Definitely, you are going to do the mistake. Okay, if you are not learning anything,
True,
means
true.
you are
It is
not doing the
completely true.
mistakes. Correct. Huh. So don't worry about the mistakes. Okay, and I also do mistake. You also do. Everyone do mistakes. Okay, so okay, it's a fine. It's acceptable. Okay, so nobody is perfect. Okay, so yeah, just don't worry about it. Yeah.
Okay, okay, Chandan. I also enjoy a lot with your session, and it was like
Yeah.
a good time, and we enjoy a lot.
Yeah, we will connect
And
again. Okay. Definitely,
definitely,
if the
definitely.
idea will work, then
I'm
definitely
also I'm
I will be
also
inviting you.
yeah, yeah, I'm also waiting for the your like broadcast station. So whenever you invite, I'm always ready to join.
Yeah, definitely. So we will be in the contact, and yeah, thank you so much. And it was one of the best session I had in my past. Okay, so thank you so
Okay,
much for.
okay.
I think everyone
Thanks a
make the
lot.
day, but you make my night. Okay, so thank you so much for full of
Okay,
happiness.
bye.
So bye bye.